Okay, TRT is a serious thing, and the vast majority of you shouldn't be doing it if you're below the age of probably like 35 minimum.
I don't know where he's getting this information.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
And that's that if you are a guy in your teens or your 20s or probably even your early to mid 30s, it is very rare that you would actually require testosterone replacement therapy for medical purposes, like to where there's actually something physiologically wrong with your body to where it doesn't produce enough testosterone and where it's not just the result of having an unoptimized lifestyle and diet.
So here he's saying that guys in their 30s or under, it's actually extremely rare for them to have any type of issues with testosterone, and they have to be measurably low. I don't know where he's getting this information, because everything I'm seeing a lot of guys getting younger and younger and younger and having more and more and more issues. And I'm not talking about guys that have taken anabolics and destroyed their natural production. I'm talking about guys that have been living on the earth for the last, 20 years or so and have been bombarded with all the pollutants and the hormones and all the plastics and the air we're breathing and the preservatives and all the other shit that their bodies are getting full of. And that's why they have issues. And if you think this is rare now, oh boy, do I have a surprise in store for you, because this is going to continue to get worse and worse and worse and worse. Okay, to suggest that anybody under 30 shouldn't be taking TRT is asinine. Watch this one here.
Okay, TRT is a serious thing, and the vast majority of you shouldn't be doing it if you're below the age of probably like 35 minimum.
So he doesn't think anybody should get on TRT unless they're if they're under 35. Okay. So you're a guy who's 23. You're measurably low. You got all the symptoms of low testosterone. You're a mess. You should feel like a piece of dog shit now for the next 12 years, because Sean says you should. Yeah. You shouldn't get on it until you're 35. So I want you to live for the next 12 years just feeling like a bag of shit, just feeling absolutely awful until you get to that magical number, which is 35 years old. And then you can take control of your health, and then you can make yourself healthy and feel better and not feel like this anymore. For what reason? Why? Why do people say stuff like this? Steve, I get so frustrated when I hear this nonsense. It drives me nuts. You know why? Because, see, I know better, and I know you know better, and I know a lot of guys in the Facebook group know better, but there's so many guys out there just looking for answers, and they're looking for health, and they don't feel well, and they don't even know if it is a testosterone-related issue. And if it is a testosterone-related issue, they don't really know what they should be doing. But then they see stuff like this, and it prevents them from seeking help. Maybe the guy's 27. Okay, the guy's 27, and he watches Sean's video and says, oh, I shouldn't start before I'm 35. Shit.
Well, you're still better off if you listen to Sean, because at least when you're 35, you'll get on the TRT, because if you listen to Scott Herman's father, you'll never get it anyway.
Yeah. So it's like, okay, so I have to be 35. I'm 27. Okay, so for the next 8 years, I got to find some way to feel better. Okay, so what do I do? I'm already eating really well. I'm already training, and I take my vitamins, and I spend time outside, and I make sure I get enough sleep, and I'm taking these other supplements and these other herbs, and I still feel like shit.
You should be taking a test booster.
What else can I be doing? Oh, I know. I'll go see my doctor. Maybe he'll give me an antidepressant, and he'll give me Cialis, and he'll give me all this other stuff. Yeah, that's a solution, guys. Yeah, do that. Take the pharmaceutical drugs that are really going to cause damage, that we can actually demonstrate cause damage over a period of time, because there's studies that show what kind of impact they're going to have on your health. Yeah, go do that. I'll stick with the testosterone that's natural, that's going to improve my health, that my body actually recognizes. My body sees the testosterone come in going, oh, testosterone, I know what this is. I know exactly what to do with this. Where have you been all my life? Because we haven't had you in a while. Hey, I can put this to use. So I'm going to put some here, I'm going to put some here, and I'll put some here. Okay. And it shows. I can demonstrate the benefits. So guys, when you're watching videos on YouTube with these experts, or just, even the guys that say they're not an expert, can you just use a little shred of critical thinking? Pretty please. Can you watch videos that actually have doctors that know what the hell they're talking about? We've had so many on this channel. We had over a dozen physicians on this channel. We keep bringing them back. Okay. listen to the guys, the prescribing physicians that aren't trying to make you afraid, that have a huge reputation of guys doing very, very well. We know a lot of those. Listen to those. Okay. I get most of my information from them and from all the literature they drown me with on almost weekly basis. Okay. Just, it makes me sad. It makes me sad that there's guys walking around trying to find answers and are getting their heads filled with this nonsense and decide not that they shouldn't do something, whether it be TRT or some other treatment or whatever, that they get swayed because some guy on Reddit says that you shouldn't do this because you're going to grow a third testicle or some freaking nonsense. And they don't. And then they just feel like crap. It drives me nuts. So guys, take control of your health seriously and use a bit of critical thinking here.
Hey, thanks for watching. And now click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization.